What is outdoor living mastery?
Outdoor Living Mastery is about innovation, new ideas, and a bunch of people coming together and learning from each other.
In 2025, Outdoor Living Mastery is back. February 10th through 14th. Located in Gordonville, Pennsylvania.
If you even have the thought of coming, I think you should come. If you're thinking about, oh, it's a little expensive to come down here, it doesn't do it justice. You can't buy this with money. You can't buy these relationships with money. I would just say you need to come try it if you're in this industry, and you will not be disappointed.
You can sign up for our tip of the week here, or you can watch more of our videos here. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel here, and make sure you shop our products at pavetool.com. If you're located in Canada, you can shop at pavetool.ca. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to seeing you next Friday.